Are you a biker who likes to stay in the classic mold? Do you ride a classic bike, or do you just hate having a helmet on where there's kind of something here just in the way? Does that feel wrong to you? What I'm trying to say is, do you like a nice, decent piss pot? Well, as far as piss pots go, in here, we've got the bad boy. But the question you want answered is, which PP are we talking about here? And it is the Scorpion Belfast Carbon Solid. And just as an extra treat, we're going to do the unboxing right here, right now. So, that feels good. Love a good unboxing. So let's see what we have. Now that is different. So I've not actually opened this before, and I've just seen, as if to go with the kind of old school thing, the kind of, it's got this beigey kind of helmet bag. Is there anything else in here? No, some of that little weird stuff they put in products for some reason, but that's your lot. It's got that kind of, do you know you're at school and you had that kind of felt you played with back in the 70s and stuff like that? This is what this reminds me of, but it also has this beautiful logo here, the Belfast. Perfect, so let's get in and, I've just noticed something else. The string actually looks like string. That's fabulous, rather than the usual kind of thing you get. So this is quite a nice, few little nice touches by Scorpion to make this feel properly period, you know? Okay, pop it out. Lovely. Place that there. Okay, so we have the more boring kind of manufacturing type stuff there. Are we ready? Ready for the big reveal? Oh, hello. Annoying squeaking aside, what this has revealed is what appears to be a beautiful carbon helmet. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay, owner's manual. Oh my God, this is the best kind of owner's manual. Can you see how thin that is? Almost nothing to read. Perfect. But still boring because it's an owner's manual. But here we go. That is, as this kind of helmet goes, that is absolutely fabulous. We've got we've got a micrometric lock here, and look at this. This reminds me of kind of old leather jackets and kind of old kind of car seats. So they really have gone to town. And oh, it's got poppers for, I'm guessing, for a peak that you can put on. Do they do peaks for these guys? They do peaks. They do peaks, so if you want a little peak on it, you can do it. And we also have some screws here that I don't actually know what they're for, but I tell you what, I'm gonna go and find out a little bit about this. And so by the magic of video editing, I shall be back in just a moment. Still with us? Well, actually, I'm gonna start where I left off before, which are these two screws here, because what I didn't know this has was a touch of modern niceness in that this is the retaining mechanism for, ta-da! You got a little Top Gun kind of darkish visor thing here to keep the wind out of your eyes if you're going too quickly, which you shouldn't do. Slow down, you maniac. Anyway, what else do we have here? Well, obviously the carbon is gorgeous. Scorpion claim this is F1 spec carbon, and you know what? I have no reason to disbelieve them because it looks real quality. We also have a couple of things here you might be able to see and you think, oh, what do they do? Well, that helps hold in the micrometric strap. And remember, the great thing about these is you can kind of muck about them when you've got gloves on. You don't need to take your gloves off. You want to tighten or loosen. Very handy thing. And then you might have noticed this little fellow here. What's this for? Well, that is for goggles. So you can kind of hold your goggle strap on the back, and it's got, again, a nice little logo there. There's also a nice little kind of metal logo right about here, and we've already spoken about this here. There are peaks available for you to pop on. And the one amazing thing about this, and I know you're probably looking at me handling this in this way and go, what are you doing? It's so light. It's under a kilogram, 950 grams. So it literally weighs, well, almost nothing. The Belfast comes in 2 shell sizes, and you can put it on bonces for extra small to 3XL. We have quick fit cheek pads here, and that's how quick unfitting they are, and you can quick refit them, ta-da, like that. And we also have a quick wick lining, which is anti-germy stuff. You know this kind of thing, you've heard it before. It's basically good for your head, and it's all in here, which is fabulous. And one really good thing about this is, and most Scorpions in general, is they come with a 5-year warranty. You don't have to do anything else, you don't have to go online, it just comes with. What do you need? Well, you don't necessarily need goggles, but you kind of look the part. And apart from that, the only other thing you need is to know where to find more information on this helmet. And that is only one place to go, which is bikerheadz.co.uk.